Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we are going to understand about Windows 10 and the name of our chapter is also understanding Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first one, heading is operating system. A computer has a special set of programs which manage all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. It means operating system is the most important software in our computer system, and not only in computer system, also in our mobile phones and in other devices we need operating system which is used to operate our devices. So operating system plays a very important role in a computer and in other devices also. So just like computers, some other devices like mobile phones, tablet also need an operating system. So there are some operating system which are being used in mobile phones, just like Android operating system, and another is iOS and many more. So these are some basically using operating system in tablets and mobile phones. Next one, similarly to computer, there are many operating system for our desktop also. So in desktop you are already aware about Windows operating system. Windows is the widely using operating system among all, and another operating system for our computer is Linux operating system. So these are some mostly using operating system for your computer. So we are going to learn about Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest operating system of its segment. Windows 10 was developed by Microsoft. Microsoft is the company which developed Windows operating system. So let's discuss some features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is more attractive with a complete that opening picture, themes and icons. The best feature of both Windows 7 and Windows 8 have been included in Windows 10. It means we can say Windows 10 is the combination of Windows 7 and Windows 8. It has an improved search tool which is known as Cortana, which helps you to find information on your system or on the web directly. You can even give voice commands to this search tool. So you can search in Windows 10 with the help of your voice, and there is a search tool which is known as Cortana, which is a most important tool in Windows 10. So it has a new task view button to the right of the search box on the taskbar. The button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. So this is also a useful feature of Windows 10, that at the same time you can open more than one Windows on a single computer. Windows 10 provides a Windows Store application where you can get a lot of free apps, games and songs. So as we discussed, Windows 10 is the latest operating system, so it has many features. So let's take an example of Windows 10 or take a overview of Windows 10. So as you can see this screen, this is known as desktop screen. The complete screen is known as desktop screen, and you can see there are some small pictures which are known as icons. So these all small pictures are known as icons. Now at the lower left corner there is a button which is known as start button. By clicking on start button you can use all the apps of Windows 10 very easily. At the right side of start button there is a box which is known as search box. Search box is very interesting feature of Windows 10 in which you can search any application, or you can also search internet with the help of this search box. You can see there is a bar which is known as taskbar. The complete bar is known as taskbar, and at the right side there are some tools. So this area is called notification area, where you can get all the notifications of Windows 10, or you can say you will get all the notifications of your device in the notification area. So I hope Windows 10 is clear now. So that is it for today, students. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.